Is the sun making you sneeze? You're not alone. Here's why it happens. It turns out there's a fascinating reason behind this sunny sneeze phenomenon. When you look at bright sunlight, your optic nerve gets a major jolt of stimulation. Now here's the cool part. The optic nerve sits right next to the nerve responsible for sneezing. So when that optic nerve gets all fired up by the sun, it kind of rubs off on its sneezing neighbor. This friendly nudge triggers an involuntary reflex, causing you to sneeze. Scientists call this the photic sneeze reflex, and it's more common than you might think. Around 1 in 3 people experience this quirky reaction. So next time the sun makes you sneeze, you can impress your friends with the science behind it. Stay curious and keep looking at the bright side, just maybe with a tissue handy.